Hi guys, John here. Hope you enjoy this video. Just after we got to Port McNeil, I made a decision for a couple of reasons. One, my crew didn't have confidence in me to sail open water because I didn't have a lot of experience. And number two, we had lost one navionics piece of equipment. So between those two things, I was very disappointed that I couldn't circumnavigate Vancouver Island, but in the future, we'll certainly do that. Probably it won't be till next year, but so we sailed down the channel again, back to the corner, and then we went to Big Bay, and that's what this video is about, sailing back that direction. Hope you enjoy it. Port McNeil on the street, Discovery Passage, big mountains up ahead. Discovery Passage is wide, probably 5/8 of a mile, maybe half a mile. Roads up on the mountains there. See where the pass cuts through the mountains. Oh, we live in a beautiful place! Anchored up. Look what's coming around the corner here. Isn't that something? Hope this turns out on the camera a little bit. Maybe I can zoom in for you guys a little bit. Oh, he's burning a little bit of diesel. Huh?
It's not burning clean, huh?
No. Maybe got a couple bad cylinders or something. That needs a new set of rings.
Big rings.
It looks like a Carnival cruise line or something. Yeah. No, they didn't pay me to sponsor them, don't worry. Just what crossed my mind, that's all. That ship is probably around 250 feet long. It opened up here in the channel, it's pretty wide. Someplace over there is Newville, it's called. It's a little community. Probably about 5 miles ahead of us across the other side of the channel. And we found a little bay just up here, 5-8 miles. We're going to stop for the night. It's coming around 4 o'clock. By the time we get there, it'll be 5:30, so it's good to stop, get some rest, some supper, charge our batteries and charge ourselves. Yeah, lots of beautiful country. That's where we came from. This is the islands. I don't want to stop and name everyone. But we're by Newville, so if you look on the maps, you'll see the different names of the islands. Over here on this side, that's Vancover Island. And Bute's having fun, right, Bute?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. We got the fish line, we didn't catch anything, but yeah, we'll keep dragging it, see what happens. Nice to get a nice salmon for supper. You never know. called fishing, it's not called catching. So we'll talk. For the last half hour, the fish are jumping out of the water. We need to get a line in the water today or tomorrow, and we'll see what they are. We'll catch a few and eat them, I think. That's Vancover Island on that side. That's the pass we just came through. Rugged country, and I could look it up for you, this island here, top of Quadro Island at least, and maybe further. I didn't look at the map, so. A little red's going good. Yeah, we went through a tank of gas. We're probably 50 miles north of Campbell River and the Discovery Passage. Temperature came up to 16, 17. Supposed to hit 22 today. I don't think it's there yet. We have a wind in our nose, so we can't sail, so we're motoring. Yeah, the wind is probably only 2-3 knots. We're going against 0.25 tide or something, maybe 0.3. Not too bad. I wish it was behind us, but for now it's not. It's in our nose. Well, we just went past slack tide, so some of our motoring was against slack tide. There's a boat coming down the channel. There's a little narrows over there. I was concerned that the tide would get higher there, but we'll see when we get there. Anyway, talk to you soon. So folks, John, we got into, turned a corner on Discovery Passage, went through some channels and some rapids, and we got into Big Bay. We anchored up for the night. The lady was kind enough to let us use the dock so we didn't have to anchor, so thank you for that. Forget your name, but she's the lady that looks after the public dock at Big Bay. Thanks for watching. Next week,